Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about difference between TQM and Six Sigma. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. TQM, Total Quality Management. TQM, Total Quality Management. Total made up of the whole, quality, degree of excellence a product or service provides, management, act, art or manner of handling, controlling, directing, etc. Concept of TQM. TQM is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence or quality. TQM is a set of systematic activities carried out by the entire organization to effectively and efficiently achieve company's objectives so as to provide products and services with level of quality that satisfies customers at the appropriate time and price. Key elements of TQM: top management commitment and support, customer involvement and focus, employee involvement and focus, leadership and strategic planning, company-wide quality culture, continuous improvement, customer satisfaction and delight. Steps in implementing TQM PDCA. Plan. Define and analyze a problem and identify the root cause. Do. Devise a solution, develop detailed action plan and implement it systematically. Check. Confirm outcomes against plan, identify deviations and issues. Act. Standardize solution, review and define next issues. Pillars of TQM. Creation of quality management environment, development of teamwork, practice of quality control tools and techniques, focus on customers, focus on supplier relationship, improvement on processes, and involvement of employees. Six Sigma versus TQM. Six Sigma is a system of statistical tools and techniques focused on eliminating defects and reducing process variability. Six Sigma relates to the connection between number of defects per million opportunities and the number of standard deviation found within the process specification. Chart showing Sigma level defects per million opportunities and yield. Better than average businesses operate at 4 or 5 Sigma level, while world-class businesses operate at Sigma level 6. Benefits of Six Sigma: reduction in process cycle time, reduction in scrap generated in a process, increasing customer satisfaction, reduction in number of factory defects, reduction or elimination of costly rework. Difference between Six Sigma and TQM. Six Sigma is relatively newer concept than TQM. TQM is a management philosophy of quality improvement. Six Sigma is a philosophy that focuses on defects reduction. TQM involves improvement in existing policies and procedures to ensure high quality. Six Sigma focuses on improving quality by minimizing and eventually eliminating defects from the system. TQM encourages involvement of all employees. Six Sigma relies on a selected group of highly trained employees. In TQM, senior management provides direct support. In Six Sigma, senior management is held accountable for results. TQM is less complicated process than Six Sigma. Six Sigma involves specially trained individuals, whereas TQM does not require extensive training. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.